This is a video of Corey's place. Water's coming down right here. The drain can handle, and water is going into the garage in several places. The first place of entry is right here through the middle on the edge, right here, and it comes in right through this point because of the grade, and then it floods inside garage. Another point is right underneath the stairs. It goes right underneath over here. Some goes under the house, but not much. And then right here, it channels right down by the water heater over here. Some goes underneath the house. The rest goes in the back and down into Amanda's place. And here's right here towards the back of the garage. This was a heavy rain, lasted about maybe 5-10 minutes straight, and then it stopped. So, walking into Amanda's place here, the water does not go into the garage, but it comes down the driveway right here. Comes down. There's some coming from Joanne's place. Hi. That comes down here, and then it goes all the way down the front of the driveway. But right here, the gutter, we're going to turn the gutter away from the house tomorrow and divert it to the grass. And I guess there's about maybe 30% of the water that goes into the driveway from the gutter. So that's going to help a lot. So the water comes down here, and then it channels next to the car, and it goes straight down into the ditch. And some of the water goes under the house right here. So right here is that. And some of the water goes down underneath the house, but not too much. And the gutter here spills on the corner, goes underneath the house, and this overflow here goes underneath the house, but that will be taken care of tomorrow. We're going to run a line straight into the ditch right here, and the water ends up in the back of the yard and saturates the yard away from the foundation. It's about 10 feet away from the foundation. And Corey's place is also settling about 5 to 10 feet away from the corner. And the drain that goes under the garage is draining fine into the ditch. And it settles about maybe 10-15 feet away from the house. So in this heavy rain, that's kind of what we have so far. And here's the backyard. There's a pool puddle right here, low spot, but that will absorb into the grass. You can't even tell when it's dry. And around the house, Amanda's house, on the side is the other downspout. And yeah, this needs to be fixed. The downspout will be extended and go right into the splash guard. There's some spillage here, but it shouldn't be a problem. And there's a lot of water that accumulates on the corner and just works itself down the hill. Here's a ditch that goes down into the neighbor's property. And yeah, they have some blocks here. So underneath Amanda's house. I'll be showing you guys some the footing. There's some space over there. We're gonna shore that up with some gravel and concrete. And these two on the end ones are the worst. It has a pretty big gap there. And the one on the corner has the biggest gap. So we'll take care of that as well. Okay. That's it for now.